For the class 10th CBSE Art Integrated Project in Physics, let us make in this video an anti-gravity suspension or tensgravity with square base. Let us begin with the making of square base. For making, we can take metal strip the way it is seen in this video, or we can take wooden strips or the ice cream strips, ice cream sticks, or cardboard, or in fact a hardboard sticks. So here these are metal strips which will be connected so that a square base is formed. But in the making of square base, I will be taking only 3 metal strips of same length. To ensure that the base is made up of 3 strips, metallic strips of same length, I have taken metallic strips having 11 holes each. The 11 holes, we can assume that the length of each strip is approximately 11 units. For connecting these metallic strips, we can use a threads or a string or nuts and bolts, which I am using right now. If not, glue gun or the glue stick, which we use with the help of a glue gun. So connect the metal strips perfectly so that the frame is very much intact. Now take another vertical strip of less than the side of square base or equal to the length of the side of square base and connect it at the center of one of these strips. This vertical strip ends are in turn connected to horizontal strips to ease the connection. Now it is well connected. Tighten the nuts and bolts to keep the complete frame intact. Now the top part of this vertical metallic strip is to be connected to another horizontal extension. The anti-gravity suspension or tensgravity is an amazing art integrated project in which two frames of this form, that is two frames which are made up of metal or wood or cardboard, which are in fact heavy, they are connected to each other with cotton threads. Cotton threads cannot make such a framework to stand. But here, exactly like this, we will have one more frame and they are connected to each other with cotton threads. And the cotton threads can resist gravity when we tie them in a defined format. Now once this bolt is tightened, we have prepared one of the square base which is connected to a vertical metallic strip. Now we need another similar kind which is already prepared. So we have two bases, two square bases which have to be connected in this format. and the four ends of the square bases have to be connected to each other with or by means of cotton thread. The length of the cotton thread should be equal to the side of the square base. So the square base side is this much. So exactly that length cotton thread we need 4. And those 4 cotton threads will be connected to the 4 vertices of the square base to connect to the 2 square frames like this. Now if this frame I put it on the surface, the complete entity collapses. Anti-gravity is such that it should not collapse. For that, the vertical metallic strips have to be connected in a turn to each other. As a result, the top surface will be pulled by the bottom surface and the bottom surface will be pulled by the top surface with equal and opposite force. As a result, due to these balanced forces, the complete entity which is standing by means of cotton thread can resist gravity, and this kind of an arrangement is known as anti-gravity suspension or tensegrity. So the laws of physics enable such kind of an arrangement to resist gravity and not to collapse. We can tie the threads. I have used the glue stick to connect the thread to the other vertical strip. So the 2 vertical strips are connected to each other. The additional length of the thread can be cut out. Now you can see the complete framework, which is made up of metal, is connected to each other with a cotton thread or by means of cotton thread, and still it is not collapsing. This kind of an arrangement can take heavy loads on it, and this kind of an arrangement is called anti-gravity suspension. An amazing piece of architecture, an amazing piece of work which involves the laws of physics that makes the entity stand and take a load on it. Friends, do make this project for your class 10th CBSE Art Integrated Project in Physics. Thank you for watching this video.